मैं एक बहुत छोटे शहर जबलपुर से हूँ, जहाँ पे बहुत अच्छी फैसिलिटीज़, मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ नहीं मिलती हैं। एंड मेरी हिम्मत नहीं बन पा रही थी सर्जरी के लिए, क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ कुछ बुरी सर्जरीज़ हो चुकी हैं हिस्टोरिकली, जो मुझे डरा रही थी सर्जरी के लिए। हमारे फैमिली में मणिपाल हॉस्पिटल से कुछ सर्जरीज़ हुई थी। मुझे वो रेफ़र किया गया कि मैं यहाँ पे आ सकती हूँ। एंड देन आई ऑन द इंटरनेट I found out about Mamtaya Saira. I researched so much about her, and all I read was good things about her. Not only about her skills, but also about that she's an amazing caregiver and is very empathetic to the problems of patients. And I was looking for a doctor like that because I knew the problem with myself. I was having a lot of bloating problem. My stomach was becoming bigger and bigger, and I had a fibroid which has grown into a very huge size, which had to be removed.
Hi everyone. Today I have with me a chirpy and a beautiful young lady, Miss Jasneet Kaur. So she has travelled all the way from Jabalpur to Manipal Hospital, Dwarka in search of expertise in terms of robotic surgery. When we talk about robotic surgery, we talk about science, technology and AI advancement all incorporated in one. So Jasneet, welcome and thank you for being with us today. So I understand that you had this surgery in Manipal, and it was removal of fibroid, and I want to know how was your stay and post-operative course like, because I have a lot of viewers telling me that will I need to have bed rest for a month, will I not be able to travel or enjoy festivities. So that is one area where I would want you to give our viewers clarity.
Hi everyone. Today is my 10th day of the surgery, and I have come here for suture removal. It has been a very smooth process at Manipal Hospital, from the time of registration to meeting the doctor, to getting the clearances, to getting into the surgery and post-op recovery. I would talk more about the post-op recovery. The day recovery was done, and the very next day in the morning I could walk, of course with some help, and it has been only going upwards. I have made a very quick recovery. I left the hospital within 3 days, and I am staying at my aunt's place, which is on the second floor, and I could take stairs upstairs with some help, and it was absolutely painless. The stitches don't hurt, there's no internal hurt as such. As long as you're doing your physio, you're doing your spirometry from the start, you are in the process of building yourself up for the post-recovery.
Absolutely.
And I have been walking, I have been going out and meeting my friends for coffee for some time, so that I do not stress myself. And today is my 10th day. I feel normal, back to normal again. I'm so thankful that I came to Manipal and to Manipal.
So there is no blood transfusion in spite of having complicated surgery. There is no stay in the ICU.
No.
And the pain was not as if you needed a lot of painkillers as such. So Jasneet, I'll ask you one last question. Tell me, what is the favorite thing that you are really excited to do when you go back home? And what is it that you feared that you would not be able to do, but here you are excited about it, so that everybody who's watching this and they have their anxieties and fears, and they let go of that, take a leap of faith and get treated well in time.
The thing that I was scared about was to be not able to walk, to be dependent on people for doing my basic activities. Still, I'm not bending right now. I'm taking help, but all my apprehensions about not being able to do my daily activities have been broken completely. I'm so happy that I'm able to live independently, doing everything that I was doing. earlier, and the thing that I'm most excited about is to go back to my hometown to be with my with my mom, with my animals, and kind of breathe into
Non-polluted air.
non-polluted
She
air
doesn't
of
want to say it, but I'm
Jaipur.
pretty sure that's
Yeah.
what she means.
But I'm very thankful to Delhi for being so welcoming. Yeah.
So last advice, any advice, because what I understand is because of the dilemma and the anxiety, people tend to ignore these products. So I want you to advise our viewers what is it that you should take control of.
I think women's body is so complicated. We've been given so many organs by God. It's better to take care of it the day you feel something is not right about it, and it's very much required to go and see a gynecologist rather than running away and doing some desi nuska. So I feel taking medical help in before actually reaching the last stage is better than facing your fear right away. It's much more helpful.
So Jasneet, thank you for being with us, and we as doctors are as excited to have you as patients who are lovely, who are kind, who take everything in a good stride, who support us as much as we support you. So it is a team and it is a bond, and I wish that stays forever.
Thank you.
Thank you, Jasneet.